Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Mary. Every evening, when the sky was filled with stars, Mary would set off on a journey to the land of dreams. One summer night, as she laid her head on her soft pillow, her eyelids grew heavy, and she fell into a sweet sleep. When Mary awoke, she found herself in the middle of a mysterious forest. This forest was unlike any she had ever known. The trees' leaves shimmered like gold, flowers hanging from the branches released pleasant scents, and a soft mist danced through the forest's depths. Mary felt no fear. Instead, she was eager to explore this magical world. As she walked through the forest, the first creature she encountered was a wise old owl. The owl looked at Mary silently, as if it had been waiting for her arrival. As she continued, a graceful deer appeared, approaching Mary with a friendly demeanor and eyes that seemed to say, "Welcome!" The cheerful inhabitants of the forest, squirrels, hopped among the branches to greet Mary. Vibrant butterflies fluttered around her, dancing in the air. Mary ventured deeper into the forest. After a while, she saw a glowing light between the roots of a gigantic tree. This light was a mystery from the heart of the forest. Mary reached out and touched the light. At that moment, she felt an indescribable peace deep within her heart. The forest whispered to her about the power of nature, the friendship of animals, and the true meaning of tranquility. But like every beautiful story, this one had to come to an end. As the first light of dawn filled her room, Mary slowly opened her eyes. She began her day, holding on to the mystery of the forest and the lessons she had learned that night. Mary knew she would return to that mysterious forest every time she fell asleep, and this thought always brought her joy. And so, Mary's dream forest brought her peace and happiness every night, just as it had that night.